7 AI startups that could be worth $100 billion. The next AI giants. Over the last few decades, the technology industry has produced some of the most valuable companies in history. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google have each reached valuations well above $1 trillion. But before they became giants, they were small startups experimenting with new technologies. Apple started in a garage. Amazon began as an online bookstore. Google began as a research project at Stanford. Today, we may be witnessing the birth of a new generation of technology giants, companies built entirely around artificial intelligence. In the past few years, hundreds of AI startups have emerged around the world. But only a small number are building the core technologies that could define the next era of computing. These companies are developing new AI models, infrastructure, software platforms, and automation systems that may reshape entire industries. In this video from the Strategy Lab, we'll explore 7 AI startups that could realistically become $100 billion companies over the next decade. These companies are already attracting billions in investment and building technologies that some experts believe could redefine the future of work, business, and computing. Let's start with one of the most influential AI startups in the world today, OpenAI. The first company on this list is OpenAI. Founded in 2015, OpenAI began as a research organization focused on developing artificial general intelligence, often called AGI. In its early years, OpenAI operated mostly as a research lab, but that changed dramatically in 2022 when the company released ChatGPT. Within just 5 days, ChatGPT reached over 1 million users, making it one of the fastest-growing consumer applications in history. By early 2023, the platform had attracted over 100 million users, surpassing the early adoption rates of platforms like Instagram and TikTok. What makes OpenAI particularly powerful is its relationship with Microsoft. Microsoft has invested billions of dollars into OpenAI and integrated its technology into products like Microsoft 365, Azure, and Bing. This partnership gives OpenAI access to massive computing infrastructure and a global distribution network. Few startups in history have had access to that level of support. If OpenAI continues expanding its AI ecosystem, it could eventually become one of the most important software companies in the world. Anthropic. Another major AI startup gaining enormous attention is Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021 by former researchers from OpenAI. The company focuses heavily on building safe and reliable AI systems. Its primary product is an AI assistant called Claude. Claude has gained popularity because of its ability to process extremely large amounts of text, sometimes hundreds of pages at once. This capability allows businesses to analyze long documents, research papers, and datasets much more efficiently. Anthropic has also attracted major investment from companies like Amazon and Google, both of which are integrating Anthropic's AI technology into their cloud platforms. This gives Anthropic access to enormous computing resources and a global developer ecosystem. In many ways, the competition between Anthropic and OpenAI resembles earlier technology rivalries, where multiple companies raced to define a new industry. Adept AI. One of the most interesting AI startups working today is Adept AI. While many AI companies focus on generating text or images, Adept is working on something slightly different. Its goal is to build AI systems that can use software the same way humans do. Instead of requiring complex integrations with every application, Adept trains AI to interact with user interfaces. That means clicking buttons, navigating menus, and filling out forms automatically. This might sound simple, but it could be incredibly powerful. If AI systems can operate software like humans, they could potentially automate huge portions of office work. Tasks like data entry, reporting, scheduling, and digital administration could be handled automatically. Some researchers believe this type of technology could become the foundation for future AI agents capable of performing complex workflows across multiple applications. Hugging Face. Another influential company in the AI ecosystem is Hugging Face. Hugging Face began as a startup focused on natural language processing tools, but it eventually evolved into something much larger. Today, Hugging Face operates one of the most important open-source AI platforms in the world. Developers around the globe use Hugging Face to access and share machine learning models. In many ways, Hugging Face functions like GitHub for AI models. Thousands of developers contribute to its ecosystem, building tools that power everything from chatbots to computer vision systems. This open ecosystem has made Hugging Face a critical infrastructure provider for the AI industry. Because of its developer network and community-driven model, Hugging Face could become one of the most important platforms in the future AI economy. Mistral AI. In Europe, one AI startup attracting major attention is Mistral AI. Founded in 2023, Mistral focuses on building high-performance AI models designed to compete with the largest models developed in the United States. Despite being a relatively new company, Mistral quickly raised hundreds of millions of dollars from investors. Its approach focuses on efficient and open AI models that developers can customize and deploy in different environments. This strategy could appeal to businesses that want powerful AI systems without relying entirely on large technology companies. Mistral's rapid growth shows how quickly new competitors can emerge in the AI landscape. Runway. Artificial intelligence is also transforming creative industries. One startup leading this transformation is Runway. Runway develops AI systems capable of generating and editing video. Its tools allow creators to generate video scenes from text descriptions, remove objects from footage, and create cinematic effects automatically. These technologies could dramatically change how movies, advertisements, and digital media are produced. Instead of requiring large production teams, AI-assisted tools may allow smaller groups to create professional content. As generative video technology improves, companies like Runway could become central platforms in the future of digital media production. Perplexity AI. The final company on this list is Perplexity AI. Perplexity is building an AI-powered search engine designed to compete with traditional search platforms. Instead of simply returning links, Perplexity generates structured answers with citations. This approach combines the strengths of traditional search engines with the reasoning capabilities of AI models. For users, it dramatically reduces the time required to gather information. Instead of opening dozens of websites, people can receive summarized answers directly. As AI-powered search continues to improve, Platforms like Perplexity could reshape how people access information online. The next generation of tech giants. Every generation of technology produces a new wave of influential companies. In the early internet era, companies like Amazon and Google defined how people interacted with information and commerce online. In the mobile era, companies like Apple and Meta reshaped communication and digital ecosystems. Today, we are entering the era of artificial intelligence. And the companies building the infrastructure, models, and platforms for AI could become the next generation of global technology giants. While no one can predict exactly which companies will dominate the future, the startups we explored today are building some of the most powerful technologies in the world. If you want to understand the strategies and technologies shaping the next generation of businesses, subscribe to the Strategy Lab, because the next trillion-dollar company may already be taking shape today.